What's up guys, this is Sennheiser and today we are going to have a quick review of Sennheiser MOMENTUM True Wireless 3 earbuds. So we will talk about its design, features, audio quality, battery life, all of its pros and cons while performing a quick unboxing as well. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the retail box of MOMENTUM True Wireless 3, you will find the charging case along with the pair of earbuds and some quick start guides, user manuals, etc. A USB Type-C charging cable, 3 sets of earphones, some silicone ear tips. Talking about the design, the MOMENTUM True Wireless 3 looks a bit different compared to the previous generation of MOMENTUM True Wireless earphones. It is way more similar to the CX series instead of the MTW. The earbuds are a bit chunky and stay out of the ears slightly because of its size, but still they are lightweight and comfortable enough to use them for hours without facing any issue. The build quality is very solid and it looks premium from every angle. The earphones provide a very nice grip and good passive noise cancellation, and you can select the preferred ear tips and the earphone to make the fitting and passive noise cancellation even better. Changing the ear tips is one of the easiest among the earbuds and it's so smooth that it feels magnetic. The case is a bit heavier than it looks, but its build quality is also very solid and premium as it comes with a tweed cover design. There is a USB Type-C port provided and right next to is a status LED, and the charging case can be charged wirelessly as well. The magnets used in the case are very strong and once you put the earbuds inside, they won't come out. The touchpad on the exterior are quite big and they are very accurate as well. MOMENTUM True Wireless 3 comes with IPX4 splash resistance, so it can survive a bit of moisture, humidity, especially if you are wearing these earbuds while performing some exercise when you get some sweat and all. The Sennheiser MOMENTUM True Wireless 3 comes with signature Sennheiser sound, so the audio quality of the MTW3 is very impressive in every aspect. So does not matter what kind of music you listen, you will get crystal clear audio with good amount of bass, and the mids and highs come perfectly balanced as well. The active noise cancellation is also quite impressive and it eliminates most of the ambient sound very efficiently, and the new wind noise reduction mode is also very helpful when you are listening music in outdoors. The touch sensor provided are very accurate and they work perfectly every single time. The auto pause play feature is also very helpful and it works perfectly every time you take the earbuds out of your ear or put them back. Talking about the battery life, with adaptive noise cancellation turned on, you will get around 5 hours of battery life and you can charge the MTW3 3 times using the charging case provided, so you will get around 20 hours of battery life in one go, and that's quite impressive. Once the battery goes down, you can charge the earbuds using the case, and you can charge the charging case either by connecting it with the USB cable or you can charge it wirelessly using a wireless charging pad, or if your smartphone supports reverse wireless charging, you can use that feature as well. The pairing process for MTW3 is very easy, but to use all of its features, you will have to use the Sennheiser Smart Control application. Using this, you can customize the equalizer, you can use any of the preset provided, or you can also create the custom preset. It comes with the bass boost mode as well as the podcast mode to provide a nice listening experience, and you can create customized equalizer just for you using the sound check technology that Sennheiser Smart Control app provides. Using the smartphone app, you can turn on or off the transparency mode, and you can even select what action you would like to perform when the transparency mode is on and the intensity of it as well. You can also turn on off the adaptive noise cancellation and the anti-wind feature, and one very interesting feature of MTW3 is the sound zones that allows you to create location-based sound zones, and then you can perform various changes in the MTW3 settings in terms of equalizer and the noise cancellation based on that particular location. So once you enter that area, the equalizer and noise cancellation settings will be changed automatically, and once you leave the area, it will be changed once again to your preferred noise cancellation and equalizer. Sennheiser provides lots of touch controls for MTW3 You can use 4 different touch commands for each left and right earbuds, and they perform pretty well all the time. And then you can update the software of your MTW3, turn on or off the smart pause and auto accept call feature. You can also set the auto power off and select the preferred audio codec for your listening experience. Overall, Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3 is a very nice earbuds in every aspect. The audio quality is brilliant, the design and build quality is pretty solid and premium, the case looks beautiful and comes with wireless charging capability, the active noise cancellation, the wind noise reduction and the transparency mode work very nicely, and the new sound zones feature is very useful and quite impressive as well. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.